why is this Super Goof Unseen Sunscreen so unique and so different than any other sunscreen. I'm sitting in front of my windows, as you can see right here in the reflection. I'm going to show you why really quick.
This is such a toxic work environment. My boss just asked me to do something I was hired to do.
You can still see there's a little like a more right there under the eye. Look at that. I'm going to rub it around. Did you see how much I put on my skin? Do you see any difference from one side to the other? Look at that. Like, it comes out like this gel form, kind of like that. And it feels just like clear and lightweight. It doesn't, you know, it's not even, it feels kind of like a gel. Like it actually feels like maybe like the Professional's face primer. It has a cush to it. But when you put it on, look at this. You see that big chunk because there's a huge amount right there. But then you rub it in and look at that. Like, you cannot see this at all. At all. Look at that. I introduced this to my son and my husband, and they hate wearing sunscreen. And they were like, I love this. I will wear this all the time. Because look. Like, you can't see anything at all. And I put my makeup on top of it, and it's fine. It looks fine. It doesn't change the way my makeup looks at all. I'm skin protected. I'm stopping wrinkles from occurring. I'm stopping sun damage. And it doesn't even look like I have anything on my face. It's amazing. My makeup is finished. You can see it did not interfere with my makeup.